right, on this truck we had to do the motor mounts. We did the motor mount on the passenger side and replaced all the motor mount bolts on the driver's side. The motor mount on the passenger side actually broke the head off of all the bolts, and the motor was hanging down on the passenger side, and when you put it in reverse it would come up. He said the stick shift came over and hit him in the leg whenever he got on it in reverse, and we're not sure how it happened. It's possible somebody had this motor out and didn't get the bolts tight enough. I've never seen passenger side break. I have seen the driver's side mount break out of its housing once before, but this was a new one, and we had to jack up the motor and replace the passenger side. It took about 5 hours, which it just took what it took. On the driver's side, some of the bolts were extremely hard to get out. On the passenger side, we had to take out the coolant lines. So we had to drain the coolant. We had to take the coolant line off down there at the bottom. Take this one off also. All 4 of those bolts right there were broke off at the head. And I think there were 3 bolts on the bottom. These 3 bolts on the bottom holding the mount in. And then maybe 2 on the top. That one and 1 more on the top. Might have been this one. Yeah, it was this bolt here holding it in. That back mount bolt for the cab mount, it stayed in, so the cab mount can stay on. You don't have to take that off. We had to take this fender off, and on the driver's side we didn't have to take anything out of the way. This job cost the customer about $2,000. The motor mount itself I think was around 800 bucks. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. If y'all like this channel, subscribe, and we've got more videos coming out all the time of tips and tricks and costs and breakdowns and diagnosis. And thank y'all.